Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo of this airplane here. President Trump, FAA, order all 737 MAX 8, MAX 9 aircraft grounded after deadly crashes. Airport officials say Southwest uses aircraft affected by decision. All Boeing 737 MAX 8 and MAX 9 aircraft in the United States have been grounded as the Federal Aviation Administration and National Transportation Safety Board look into a deadly crash in Ethiopia involving that type of plane. The crash in Ethiopia was the second deadly crash involving the MAX 8 in 5 months. All 157 people on board the Ethiopian Airlines flight that crashed Sunday were killed when the Boeing 737 MAX 8 crashed just minutes after takeoff. One of the pilots had reported flight control problems. A MAX 8 also went down in Indonesia in October, killing 189 people. After the Indonesian crash, 2 U.S. pilots reported issues to NASA involving their autopilot, saying once it was engaged, their MAX 8 started going nose downward. After the grounding of all MAX 8 and MAX 9 planes, there was mixed reaction at Manchester Boston Regional Airport. One person said, "I think it's probably the right thing to do. However, I'd have no problem flying one." One man said, "I fly them all the time." Another person said she checked what kind of plane she'd be traveling in. "I never have before this, but it's an issue now," she said. "You really do think about it." Boeing said it has full confidence in the safety of the MAX 737 MAX and that the grounding is out of an abundance of caution and in order to reassure the flying public of the aircraft's safety. Airlines that have MAX 8s and 9s in their fleet are working with passengers to rebook flights. Officials at Manchester Boston Regional Airport said no flights were immediately impacted there, as only about 100 departures annually from the airport involve the MAX 8. And let's take a look at the arrivals and departure board right now at Manchester Boston Regional Airport. Take a look. And here's a look at the arrivals board. There's only one delayed flight, as you can see, and the rest are on time. And here are your departures for today, and everything is running smoothly and on time. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.